Many people believe that the grains of sand are infinite in multitude. Others think that although their number is not without limit, no number can ever be named which will be greater than the number of grains of sand. But I shall try to prove to you that among the numbers which I have named there are those which exceed the number of grains in a heap of sand, the size not only of the earth, but even of the universe. Give me a place to stand, and a lever long enough, and I will move the world. Mathematics reveals its secrets only to those who approach it with pure love, for its own beauty. Those who claim to discover everything but produce no proofs of the same may be confuted as having actually pretended to discover the impossible. The shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. Man has always learned from the past. After all, you can't learn history in reverse. Rise above oneself and grasp the world. There are things which seem incredible to most men who have not studied mathematics. Equal weights at equal distances are in equilibrium, and equal weights at unequal distances are not in equilibrium, but inclined towards the weight which is at the greater distance. The diameter of the Earth is greater than the diameter of the Moon, and the diameter of the Sun is greater than the diameter of the Earth. A solid heavier than a fluid will, if placed in it, descend to the bottom of the fluid, and the solid will, when placed in the fluid, be lighter than its true weight by the weight of the fluid displaced. The perimeter of the Earth is about 3 million stadia, and not greater. Eureka! I have found it, on discovery of a method to test the purity of gold. The center of gravity of any parallelogram lies on the straight line joining the middle points of opposite sides. Two magnitudes, whether commensurable or incommensurable, balance at distances reciprocally proportional to the magnitudes. How many theorems in geometry which have seemed at first impracticable are in time successfully worked out?